y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply press-on nails. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. These nails are by Kiss, as you can see, and right now I'm just taking them out the package, getting them ready. Now I'm just filing my nails so that they will be nice and smooth, and I'm going to go right into buffing them. Now I'm going to go in with a nail clipper. It is very important to keep them trimmed. Now I'm going to take some Germ-X and apply some to each nail to prep for the glue, just to make sure there is no excess oil on my nails. Because if there is any oil or residue on the nail, it's not going to apply properly. Alright, so now it's press on time. So now I'm just measuring my nails, and they do have numbers on them. So let's just say my thumbnail is a 2. Then I go find another 2 for my other thumb. It just makes the process easier when matching them. The glue that I'm using is by Kiss. And that's it, you guys. I'll be doing the same process on the other nails. So this is the final look. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.